Dwayne, Allen, and I, both co-owners of Big Marble and the Breadfruit, have been working diligently for years to make the perfect ginger beer. So after some trial and tribulation, learning how to ferment or learning really how to put together or formulate the perfect tasting ginger beer, Dwayne actually was the one who figured out how to take it from like a brew, like a home brew kind of situation in our kitchen, to this really highly cultivated, beautiful formula that now is super spicy in the great way, like a ginger way, and then it also has really great carbonation.
It's made with environmental consciousness at front of mind. So it's the only fair trade and organic certified ginger beer on the market. For folks who care about quality of food, for folks who really pay attention to what they consume, this is the product for you.
If you open a Big Marble ginger beer, it's an experience unlike any other. It's incredible.
It's the only ginger beer you should be drinking.